Okay, next topic, ethics in engineering for the subject of EMI laws, ethics codes, and standards. So, general definition of ethics. This is the study of the characteristics of morals. And then this is also the study of moral choices made by each person in his/her relationship with other people. The rules and standards which govern the conduct of engineers and their role as professionals. This is also the engineering ethics are similar to general ethics but apply to specific issues which affect engineering professionals. Because of its importance to all engineers, ABET, Accreditation Board for Engineering and Technology, now mandates that ethics be included in the engineering curriculum. Kaya kasama to sa curriculum nyo. So, ethics foundation, meron tayong truthfulness, character, manners, behavior, charity, a higher power, the golden rule, sympathy, love, caring for others, honesty, upbringing, sense of duty, integrity, being honest with yourself, duty, or mode of conduct. Ito yung ethics foundation. So, ethical issues faced by engineers, meron tayong public safety. 2, next is the bribery and fraud, environmental protection, fairness, honesty in research and testing. Diba? Huwag yung PKN. Okay? Conflict of interest. Yung dalawang trabaho mo, isa sa iyo, sa company mo, sa kalaban ng company nyo. That is also, yan, that is conflict of interest. Why study engineering ethics? So, 1, increase awareness of importance due to publicity. Publicity ba to? Ayan. Surrounding high-profile engineering failures. Engineering decision can impact public health, safety, business practices, and politics. Engineers should be aware of moral implications as they make decisions in the workplace. Study of ethics helps engineers develop a moral autonomy, ability to think critically and independently about moral issues. Yan ang purpose ng engineering ethics. Ability to apply this moral thinking to situations that arise in the course of professional engineering practice. Meron pa. Ethical problems in engineering are often complex and involve conflicting ethical principles. Engineers must be able to intelligently resolve these conflicts and reach a defensible decision. Personal versus business professional ethics. So personal ethics deals with how we treat others on our day-to-day lives. Business professional ethics involves choices regarding relationship between organization and other organizations, government, and groups of individuals. Also, the complexity of this relationship often pose dilemmas not encountered in personal ethics. Ethics versus the law. Both engineering and business are governed by laws. Legal acts are not necessarily ethical. Legal acts which are ethical are not necessarily legal. Nature of ethical problems. Ethical problems are often open-ended. There is often no unique correct solution. There will be typically a range of possible solutions to an ethical problem. Deriving a good solution requires analytical skills that draw from a large body of knowledge. So differences between engineering and other professions. Most engineers work for large corporations and are not self-employed, karamihan. Engineers are neither as well compensated for their work nor as highly regarded as physicians or lawyers. Okay, mababa lang ba? Engineering societies are not as powerful as those established by physicians or lawyers. Ito ba sa government yung kadaklan, yung mga laws. So, differences between engineering and other profession. Again, the formal training is less extensive for engineers than other professional. Many individuals employed as engineers have not been licensed. Meron pa rin. Physicians and lawyers must be licensed by the state before they may require practice their profession. Engineering Codes of Ethics express the rights, duties, and obligations of members of the profession. Do not express new ethical principles but coherently restate existing standards of responsible engineering practice. Semi-code na. Create an environment within the profession where ethical behavior is the norm. Not legally binding. An engineer cannot be arrested for violating an ethical code but may be expelled from or censored by the engineering society. Okay? Sa group. Objections to existing engineering codes of ethics. Relatively few engineers are members of engineering societies. Non-members don't necessarily follow the ethical codes. Kaya minsan, yung hindi mo ka-member, hindi mo sa pwedeng akusahan ng unethical. So, susumbong mo sa organization niya. Pagka-member mo, so doon mo sa may susumbong. Many engineers either don't know that the codes exist or have not read them. Yan. Diba? Kahit may copy na, nakatago lang sa computer. Kaya dapat, kumbaga, iba na magsasabi. Kaya idadali lang sa mga seminars. The engineering codes often have internal conflicts but do not provide means for their resolution. So, kadalasan may mga conflicts yan. Kaya kung ano yung most stringent na tawag, mas maigpit, yun ang sinusunod. The codes can seem coercive at times. Yan, lalo ngayon. Next, professionalism and codes of ethics. Engineering codes of ethics have evolved over time, originally concerned with yan, issues pertaining to the conduct of business, employee and employer relations. Now, emphasize commitment to safety, public health, and environmental protection. So, sinama na to. Kasi for the safety of the public din yan. So why ethical codes apply? Depending on your discipline and organizational affiliation, you may be bound by more than one ethical code. Disciples related as may IIEE, etc. National Society of Professional Engineers, NSPE sa atin. Pero na tayong PSM, di ba? Employee codes, corporation, university, etc. So, yun, sa handbook natin, meron university handbook. Union codes, yan. Familiarity with the codes that apply to you as well as a basic knowledge of ethical theory can help to resolve conflicts among the different codes and can help an engineer to make coherent ethical codes choices. Understanding ethical problems. So, meron tayong 4 common ethical theories. Merong utilitarianism, duty ethics, right ethics, and virtue ethics. Utilitarianism attempts to achieve a balance between good and bad consequences of an action. Tries to maximize the well-being of society and emphasizes that what will provide the most benefit to the largest group of people. Fundamental to many types of engineering analysis, including risk-benefit analysis and cost-benefit analysis. Yan, sa mga subject na yan, papasok yung ethics niyan. Drawback. Sometimes what is best for the community as a whole is bad for individuals. Di ba? Impossible to know in advance which decision will lead to the most good. Next is the duty ethics. Contends that certain acts should be performed because they are inherently ethical. That is honesty, fairness. Duty, yun talagang trabaho, ano na, as word na duty. This theory concludes that individual who recognizes their ethical duties will choose ethically correct moral actions. Drawback. This method does not always lead to a solution which maximizes the public good. Right ethics. Everyone has inherent moral rights. Any act that violates an individual's moral rights is ethically unacceptable. Drawbacks. How do we prioritize the rights of different individual? Hindi natin alam. Rights ethics often promote the rights of individual at the expense of large group society. Tama. Virtue ethics focuses on the type of person who we should strive to be. Action which reflect good character traits are inherently right. Actions which reflect bad character traits are inherently wrong. Virtue ethics are tied more to individual behavior than to an organization. So, tao yan. So, issues pertaining to ethical problem solving. Factual. What the facts really are is often a point of contention. Are the facts truly known? Yan, may mga issue ka na dati. Conceptual issues pertain to the meaning of action. Kino-conclude mo lang, nailing mo lang may pig-ano o kauna mo na unethical. Is a gift intended to influence a decision. Should certain information be regarded as proprietary? Moral issue. Once factual and conceptual issues have been resolved, the moral issue in dispute becomes apparent. Conflict and their resolution. Conflicts are situations which present a choice between two or more moral values, each of which has its own merits. Three possible solution scenario. So choose the ethical value which is stronger, health and safety of the public versus duty toward employer. Yan, mamili ka dyan. Find a creative middle ground, usually involving a compromise agreed by all parties. When all else fails, make the best choice possible based on available information. Gifts and bribe. When does a gift become a bribe? Okay, bribery. Sometimes offered or given to someone in a position of trust in order to induce him, her to act dishonestly. Diba? Yung nahuli ka ano, sa traffic, naglagay ka para di ka na nagbigyan ng ticket. That is bribery. Where where is the line which separates appropriate and inappropriate gifts? Look for answers in the written company policy and ethical codes. So, may mga codes siya. Ano ibig sabihin ng gifts? Yes, mga birthday gift yun. Yan. Which of the following situation are acceptable? Accepting a gift from a sales representative. 300 pesos coffee mug. A 21,000 crystal bowl engraved with company logo. So, same bowl without engraving. So, to pa, attending a lunch meeting with a sales representative. Each of you pays for your own meal. At a fast food restaurant, at an expensive bistro. Sales representative pays for your meal at a fast food restaurant at an expensive bistro. So, pipili ka dyan. So, the best dito, pili ko dito is number 3. Same bowl without engraving. Kasi walang cash. Ito naman, fast food lang. Hindi expensive. Eats, itong una. Pero yan, kasi may transaction kayo, di ba? So, risk, safety, and accident. The most important duty of an engineer is to protect the safety and well-being of the public. Definition, safety, freedom from damage, injury, or risk. Risk, the possibility of suffering harm or loss, similar to danger. Definition of safety and risk are We engage in risky behavior when we do something that is unsafe. Something is unsafe if it involves substantial risk. Ang safety and plea of risk, subjective. Voluntary versus involuntary risk. Short-term versus long-term profitability. Delayed versus so four criteria to help ensure that engineers produce complete kasamang applicable laws. Meet the standard of accepted engineering practice. Explore potentially safer alternative design. Attempt to foresee potential misuses of the product by the consumer and design to minimize the risk associated with such misuse. Diba yung mga warnings? Designing for safety. Define the problem, including the needs, requirement, and constraint. Diba? Huwag yung copy-copy lang. Generate several definitions to the problem. Analyze each solution to determine the pros and cons of each. Test the solution. Select the best solution. Implement the chosen solution. Okay. Risk-benefit analysis. Risk and benefits of a project are assigned amounts. Diba? May assigned amount. Yung ano yung balance ng value. Most favorable ratio between risk. Column menu, meron ng subject. Topic. Kaltas. So difficult to assign appropriate dollar amount or peso amount. Ika na bago. So techniques can be misused. Of course. Pwede mong ma-over procedural accident was common, often caused by bad choice or failure to follow regulation or established procedure. Can be reduced through increased training, more supervision, new laws or regulation, or closer scrutiny by regulators. Relevant na tong PowerPoint eh. So, engineered accident caused by flaws in the design. So, may failure yon. So, engineering failures, systemic accident, minor mistake or insignificant factors can, if they occur under certain conditions, have catastrophic consequences. Can be reduced by paying scrupulous attention to detail. Confidentiality and proprietary information. Engineers are required to keep confidential certain information regarding the belonging to such information, if released, might allow other companies or organizations to gain an unfair competitive advantage, di ba? Underline area. How long does confidentiality extend once an employee moves to a company? Yan, may time yan. Kung nalipat ka sa Ma'am Jollibee, nalipat ka sa McDo, so hindi mo sa mapiling ano yung procedure nyo doon, technique, menu. Conflict of interest. Actual conflict of interest, may actual, may nangyayari. Potential conflict of interest, hindi pa? Of conflict of interest. Avoid conflicts of interest by consulting company policies and seeking second of it times, such as theft from employer or financial institution, hacking. Privacy is more difficult to maintain because of the number of personal records stored on and transferred up to computer hack. computer viruses. Personal rights, meron tayo rights to privacy, right to participate in activities of one's own choosing outside of work, diba? Party. Right to reasonably object to companies' policies without fear of retribution. Right to process. Rights accorded to engineering professional include the right of ethical. May ka mag-join. Whistleblower. So, definitions is the act of by an employee which inform the public or higher management of an ethical or illegal behavior of an employer supervisor. Sumbong. Susumbong ka. Types of whistleblowing, may internal sa company nila, external sa labas, pag in-expose mo, anonymous, yung di mo siya na, ano pangalan mo, tinago. Why should whistleblowing be attempted? So, kailangan, need, proximity, capability, kabayan mo, kaya last resort na lang para makaiwas ka madamay. Yan. Being an engineer, morally obligated to blow the whistle. You may blow the whistle if all of the previous conditions have been met. Merong yung kanina. Dito siya. Need, proximity, yan. You must blow the whistle. Ito yung ina, may. Pwedeng, pwedeng, pwedeng hindi. Ito naman, you must blow. Kailangan. The whistle when you feel that there is a great imminent danger of harm if the activities continues unchecked and if all the previous conditions have been met. Ethics and implementation. So, ito naman. The research. Avoid preconceived notions about what the result of the research will be. Okay. Research pa lang yan. Be open to changing the hypothesis when such action is indicated by the experimental evidence. Change mo. Okay, huwag mong ipilit. Ensure that an objective frame of mind is maintained throughout the research process. Bago-bago, wala. Conclusion should be confirmed by as many colleagues possible. Surely announced public. Yan. The ultimate goal of research is not publicly and fame, but rather the discovery of data to improve result is not acceptable. Messaging, yun pa. Should be given to all who contributed to a particular project. Kahit pa-snack lang, sabay yan. Summary na to is your ethical issues, first professional versus personal ethics, engineering ethical concern, and professionalism.